How to make video in Rednote application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Rednote application. Log in with your account details. After that, once you log in, you see the plus icon at the bottom in the middle. Simply click on it. Now, firstly allow permissions to access your photos and videos on your device. After that, go to camera. Once you click on camera option, allow the permission to record a video and as well as for microphone. Once this permission has been allowed, now once you click on video and tap on the circle in the middle, you will be able to record a video. So that's it. That is how easily you can record a video in Rednote app. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.